Hey guys, welcome back to Uday Speaks. Do you feel like throwing away your phone when the internet is not working? It is a general emotion that every human nowadays are going through because internet has become such an integral part of everyone. Everyone tries to find their life through internet. Everyone lives their life through internet. So whenever the internet is not working or whenever there is a problem with internet, we tend to lose control, we tend to get emotional, and we often feel like throwing away our phone when it is not working. That is a common emotion that everyone are going through now, and internet has become an addiction to most of us. Either we have to study, either when we have to search for something, it is dependent on office work or anything. We all want internet in our life now, and if you are searching for entertainment, internet is a must nowadays. When internet is not there, like 15 years ago or 20 years ago, people used to find entertainment through television and radio. In nowadays, in the generation where internet took over everything and even everyone wants internet to get entertained. And education has also become an internet dependent thing because even when you have to study or when you have to search for material, you have to go through internet for that. So internet definitely has become an integral part in our life, and it is ruling everyone, and it has become a superior thing for everyone. And in COVID situations that we are facing, in this pandemic situations, internet has become more prominent, and we can see lots of people are working from home, they are using internet, and lots of people and lots of students especially, they are studying from home, they are doing work from home, and internet is the main source for them. So internet has definitely become an integral part of our lives, and we don't want internet to be cut from our life for at least 1 minute. So we have become addicted to it, and we have to find a way to let go if it doesn't work for some time. So I hope everyone will not get addicted but use internet wisely. Thank you.